There are some things that I do every day, and sometimes I have to talk myself out of doing it. Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to come and talk to you for a little bit as I was getting dressed, getting ready to get out. I thought about something that I always do. Before I talk about that, thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for your support and for just hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it so much. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Come on, join the Gene G family. I enjoy interacting with everyone. I love the comments and just spending time preparing my videos. I am always thinking about you whenever I upload a video. And if you click that subscribe button and the notification bell, you will know every time I upload a video, which is at least twice a week. Now, there are some things that I do every day, and sometimes I have to talk myself out of doing it. Like every morning, I reach for these earrings. Are they my favorite? They just go with just about everything. I have on my Excel Natural Hair and Locks t-shirt, and it goes with it. I have on a pair of khakis pants. It goes with that too. I want you to see what my hair looks like now. I didn't put any more of the frisbee gone on it from the day before. And I am not going to put any on there today. I am not sure if I'm going to put that ponytail back in or not. It certainly was not a lot that I had to do. Right now, I just want to feel my scalp a little bit. It's almost time for a retightening on the 29th. They come around so quickly, and I enjoy them so much. But another thing that I do almost daily, I wear my mask. In spite of the fact that I'm going to be wearing a mask, when I'm in here and I put on my mascara, and I always say that I draw on my eyes because I pretty much don't have much hair on my face. I try to form some contrast. When I'm doing that in the morning, one of the last things I do is I will pick up this Mary Kay lipstick and I will put it on. Even though I'm going to be wearing my mask, who's going to see it? Who's going to see it? No one. But I think that we become creatures of habit. I can say that these have become my favorite earrings. Some mornings I'll say, no, put on a pair of silver earrings. And then I'm going to pick up one of two pairs of silver earrings that I'm going to wear. And that's just how it is. And I was just thinking about that this morning as I was getting dressed and decided to say something about it to you. Now I'm going to use my adjuster band, and yes, I am going to go ahead and put my hair back in this ponytail because I have to finish a Sisterlock establishment today. And my hair needs to be back out of my face. It has to be in control. So I think I'm just going to put it over to the side a little bit. And again, I'm using my adjuster band. And it's easy to find the end because it has a hard coating on it. And I can pull on it and make the adjustment as needed. There it is. Let me see what it looks like. I am going to leave it right there. Take the end that's sticking out. Remember I told you it has a hard end. I hope you can see this. And now I'm just going to tuck it under. And I am ready to go. So now let's do this 360. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But God, I love God. I gotta love him because he first loved me. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Enjoy your day.